found. So thank you for letting me get my house out.
You're welcome.
I don't want to make a video.
Okay.
I found fish.
Oh, put them back.
He told Tracy. Are guys gonna go back to fishing?
Yeah, we're gonna get started here in a second.
It's literally. Daddy, put on my fishing book. We're ready to go fishing until they pick me a worm.
You ready to go fishing because you picked you out a worm?
Yeah.
All right, let's get you hooked up.
OMG, that's scary. Is that real?
No, that's your bait. It's your jig.
So can you pass it back out into the water? So why does Grady get a worm and I don't?
If you want a worm, I'll put you a worm on. I was gonna fish with a jig though while you were playing.
So I'm gonna see if I got a fish. But I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
You don't want to go fast, but
Stop making my lawns. But you got a worm. Hey, I'll give you a worm. You can fish with mine. No, I'm good. Let me go back to playing soon. I'm out. Come up. Come up to me. So his feet got out. Oh, man. Okay, wait. I'm going to try to go fishing. I'm going to do a cast.
what are you doing, Grady?
So what the?
You got to give it a little bit so it slacks so it can fling. You can't have...
So that was a good cast.
Yeah.
So you might make me tied up tomorrow. Nope.
Yeah, we're about to get snagged together.
When?
You got to crank it up a little bit more, Grady.
You can find. So what? Can you put a real worm on mine?
You want a worm?
Yeah.
Yep.
Are we doing a video for our channel? Okay, guys. I think mine's thinking. Mine's the thing.
Oh, yeah?
Jack, can we go fishing over there?
Sure.
I think mine's stuck to the tree. Mine's flying. No, I want mine to fly again, so it's so greedy. I think mine's stuck to the tree. I already saw it. Mine. Oh. I think Grady's stuck to that one.
Grady's going to take a little work to get back in.
Why? So I can catch a fish.
Is that how that works?
Oh my. Oh, pull it in. Let's see what I got.
Turn it upside down. Be easier. Now switch hands. Turn it over and switch hands. Like this. See how I have it? With the reel up. Now turn the handle with your right hand.
Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Can I hold it? Right there. Get that, Dad. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, my toys are over there. Daddy, do you see my toys?
Mm-hmm.
I want to see your toy.
It's over there on the bench.
Oh, I do see it. When it's underwater, sorry. It don't let me. Can you hold these? Thank you. Why is the toy over here? I think I got a fish, Dad. I got a fish. Maybe. Okay, move. Mine's coming in. Move. You're fishing.
Nope, he's not in your way.
Mine is coming. Okay, why do you want to stop me?
You're okay, right? He's not getting in your way.
He is. Are you trying to ruin my day? No. I want to touch you. No.
Okay, let her bring it in.
No, I got no fish. Is that good?
Yep.
I'm going to do a cast. Ready? So watch out.
Good job.
So I'm going to do a dance and I wait. I'm going to do the Wednesday Adam dance.
No, I don't think the fish will like that. You're supposed to be quiet when you go fishing, so the fish don't hear you. What are you doing in there, Grady?
He's like that. He brought a swimsuit so we can go swimming in this lake.
Yeah, we're probably going to go swimming in this pond.
Huh?
We probably won't go swimming in this pond.
But tomorrow, can we go swimming somewhere?
I thought tomorrow we were going to go to SeaWorld.
Oh, yay, with Mommy?
Yeah.
Yay, Mommy will come back.
So we can go trick-or-treating with them. What? Great. All right. Woo. You got to be careful with that hook. You almost got Grady. You're in the tree, too.
You reeled in for me.
Oh, you got to crank him. Crank him in. Crank him in.
Maybe. It's going to be my fish. Okay, but don't touch my fishing pole.
That's okay, right? Somebody had to reel it in for me.
Okay, give me. Can it please be my fish? No.
We're probably going to put them back.
Did you actually get one?
Yeah? There's a bite.
Well, I feel it. It's hard. But I can get it for you. No, I got it. Yeah, I got it. I can. Who got this? Yeah, you did that. Then, hurry, grab it. Grab it.
Here, take his.
Grab it. No, grab this.
Whoa. Hang on.
Oh, man. Ooh, is that a sharkfish?
That is a little baby catfish. Wait, be careful. They're got some.
Can I have one? Can I have the fish bowl?
No, we don't. I don't want you playing with them. You can have the fish bowl. You can hold them up. Here, hold.
It's mine.
Well, both of you hold them up so we can get a good picture.
Ugh. You don't put it by me. Yeah. Please stop putting it by me.
All right, let's get them off the hook now. Just real quick.
Ew. No.
What happened?
Yeah, on my head. On my head.
What made you think to put a worm on your head?
Because I wanted to.
That's silly.
Yeah.